Source: Android Central. What you need to know. Last week, Samsung started rolling out the January 2022 security patch to Galaxy S21 users in the Netherlands. As per Sam Mobile, the update has now expanded to the US and South Korea. The update arrives as version G99XNKSU3BULF in Samsung's home market and G99SHU1UES4BULE for the unlocked Galaxy S21 series phones in the US carrier-locked variants, however, may have to wait a few more days to get the update. Unsurprisingly, the January security update doesn't bring any other changes aside from security improvements. Samsung's dedicated security updates page notes that the January 2022 security update includes a total of 52 fixes from Google and 10 from Samsung, including 2 critical vulnerabilities. Galaxy S21 FE impressions. Samsung's affordable Galaxy S21 FE is finally with us, but was it worth the wait? 0 seconds of 59 seconds, volume 0%. Sponsored links. Kai P por XX Kicks Rang Riachi HMD Wang Royang Delai. Nissan. Sonfime Time. The Galaxy S21 Trio aren't the only devices that are getting the latest Android security patch. The mid-range Galaxy A51 began receiving the January 2022 patch in the last week of December, while the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite is currently receiving the update in France. More Samsung devices are expected to get the January security update in the coming days, including its best budget Android phones. If you haven't unlocked Galaxy S21, Galaxy S21, or Galaxy S21 Ultra, you can check for the update manually by opening the Settings app on your phone and making your way to Software Update, download and install. Samsung Galaxy S21. The vanilla Galaxy S21 is among the most value-focused flagships Samsung has released so far. While it doesn't feel as premium as the other two S21 series phones, it does have a gorgeous 120Hz display and a significantly more compact form factor. We may earn a commission for purchases using our links. Learn more. Work from anywhere. Google Meet gains companion mode on Nest Hub Max for hybrid meetings. Google Meet gains companion mode, a new feature that lets users join meetings using a secondary device like the Nest Hub Max or other dedicated Meet hardware. New on Peacock. Here are the best shows on Peacock right now. NBC's Peacock streaming service offers subscribers access to a ton of free and premium content. With so much to choose from, we've rounded up a list of the best Peacock shows available for your viewing pleasure this weekend. Have some fun. These are the very best Android games you can play. We're rounding up the best games, free and premium, you should be playing today. Pen Pals. Here are the best S Pen cases and accessories for the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Looking for a case that can accommodate both the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and an S Pen stylus? Here are some great options, along with additional worthwhile accessories to even treat yourself.